Welcome back to N Solutions, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Now, most people associate blockchain with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but there's so much more to it than that. So, let's explore the rise of blockchain technology and its potential beyond cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It provides transparency, security, and immutability to the data stored within it. While cryptocurrencies brought blockchain into the limelight, the technology's applications extend far beyond the financial sector. Blockchain technology has the power to revolutionize various industries. One area that stands to benefit is supply chain management. By leveraging blockchain, companies can track and verify every step of a product's journey, ensuring transparency and eliminating counterfeit goods. This enhances trust and accountability in the supply chain. With blockchain, consumers can easily trace the origin of products, ensuring they are ethically sourced and produced. This has significant implications for industries such as fashion, food, and pharmaceuticals. Another area where blockchain is making waves is in the realm of decentralized finance, commonly known as DeFi. DeFi platforms leverage smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that automatically perform actions when certain conditions are met. These platforms provide users with financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading, without the need for traditional intermediaries. Decentralized finance offers greater accessibility, lower costs, and increased financial inclusivity. It enables individuals from all over the world to access financial services without relying on traditional banking systems. But it doesn't stop there. Blockchain technology is also being explored for its potential in healthcare, voting systems, intellectual property, and even tackling climate change. Its immutable nature and ability to securely store and share data have the potential to transform these industries for the better. Blockchain can enhance the security and privacy of healthcare records, streamline the voting process, protect intellectual property rights, and facilitate carbon credit trading, among other applications. As blockchain continues to evolve and gain mainstream adoption, it's clear that its impact will extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of its potential. That wraps up our exploration of the rise of blockchain technology. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest tech content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the incredible possibilities of technology. See you soon!